In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn profile, whether you're looking to step away from the professional networking scene or simply taking a break. I'll guide you through this process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First up, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com and log into your account. This is a crucial step as you must be signed in to access all the necessary settings. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly so you can move on to the next stage seamlessly. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. Generally, you'll find this at the top corner of the page. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu featuring various options related to your account. Among these options, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This link will direct you to a page with comprehensive settings where you can manage everything related to your account, including, of course, the option to delete it. On the Settings and Privacy page, you'll need to scroll all the way down to find the Close and Delete Account section. It might be a bit less prominent than other options, so take your time to scroll carefully through the page. The placement of this feature is intentional, as LinkedIn wants to ensure you have easy access to its numerous settings and preferences, but also that you're sure about making impactful changes like closing your account. After clicking on Close and Delete Account, the site will prompt you to continue. You'll need to click on Continue, and here, LinkedIn will ask you to provide a reason for your decision to delete your account. This part might seem tedious, but it helps LinkedIn understand why users might be leaving the platform, and thus potentially improve its services based on user feedback. You'll see a few preset options to choose from. Select the one that best aligns with your reason. There's also an option to add a bit more detail if none of the provided reasons suit your situation. Take a moment once again to reflect on your decision, as deleting your account is a permanent action that will result in the loss of all your connections and data associated with LinkedIn. If you're absolutely sure this is what you want, confirm your choice, and just like that, your account should be closed. And that's it. Remember, if you ever decide to return to LinkedIn in the future, you can always create a new account. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and take care.